So here we have, to obtain the derivative of y with respect to x, it's given that x cubed plus y cubed equals to 3 times axy. So here our function is given in an implicit form. So let's begin with a given function, which is x cubed plus y cubed equals to 3 times axy. Now what we'll do, we'll take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we'll have derivative with respect to x of x cubed. So we're taking the derivative term by term. Now we have plus derivative with respect to x of y cubed, which will be equals to, so a is a constant here, so we have 3I multiplied to derivative with respect to x of x times y. The derivative of x cubed, so that's 3x squared when we use the power rule. Now we have to take the derivative of y cubed with respect to x. So that means what we'll do here, we'll take the derivative with respect to y of y cubed, but we'll also have to apply the chain rule. So we'll multiply dy with, multiply it to derivative of y with respect to x. So this will be equals to 3a times. So here we can use the product rule to expand derivative of xy to get x times derivative of y with respect to x plus y times derivative of x with respect to x. So this will give us 3x squared plus derivative of y cubed will be 3y squared multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x. So that's equals to 3a times x times derivative of y with respect to x. The derivative of x with respect to x, this value goes to 1. So that means we have 3a multiplied to y. Now what we'll do, we'll bring 3ax dy over dx to the left hand side. So that means we have 3y squared minus 3ax. This will get multiplied to derivative of y with respect to x. And we'll transpose 3x squared to the right hand side. So that we have 3ay minus 3x squared. Right. So this gives us derivative of y with respect to x equals to, so we can take 3 as the common factor. So we have 3 times ay minus x squared. This will be divided by this particular expression, which we will take 3 as the common factor. So we have 3 multiplied to y squared minus ax. So here 3 and 3 gets factored out. Then that leaves us with the final value, derivative of y with respect to x equals to ay minus x squared divided by y squared minus ax.